Welcome to Cloudmaster Live. Today we explore thinking machines. These machines are not alive, but they seem to think like us. This is the exciting world of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a big idea. It's about making computers smart. We want computers to solve problems. We want them to learn and make decisions. Join us as we explore AI. We will learn about its different forms. We will also see how it is changing the world. Artificial intelligence is like giving a brain to a computer. Normally, computers follow instructions. They do exactly what we tell them to do, no more, no less. But with AI, we can make computers much more versatile and capable. With AI, computers can learn from information. They can analyze vast amounts of data and find patterns that humans might miss. This ability to learn and adapt makes AI incredibly powerful. Machine learning is a type of AI. It's a method that allows computers to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. Instead of following a set of rules, the computer creates its own rules based on the data it receives. We give computers lots of data. This data can come from various sources like images, text, or even sound. The more data we provide, the better the computer can learn. The computer finds patterns in the data. It looks for similarities and differences, and it uses this information to make predictions or decisions. This process is similar to how humans learn from experience. Then, it uses these patterns to make decisions. For example, it might predict what products a customer will buy or identify fraudulent transactions. Imagine teaching a computer to recognize cats. We start by showing it thousands of pictures of cats. These images help the computer understand what features are common in cats. We show it thousands of cat pictures. Each picture helps the computer learn a little more about what makes a cat a cat. It learns to identify features like fur, whiskers, and eyes. The computer learns what a cat looks like. Over time, it becomes very good at recognizing cats even in new and different pictures. Then it can identify cats in new pictures. This ability to learn and adapt is what makes AI so exciting and full of potential. Deep learning is a special type of machine learning. It uses artificial neural networks. These networks are inspired by the human brain. They help computers learn from complex data. Think of it like this. Our brain has billions of neurons. They connect and send signals. Artificial neural networks are similar. They have layers of interconnected nodes. These nodes process information and learn from it. Deep learning is powerful. It helps computers understand images, language, and sounds. Section 4. Generative AI machines that create. Generative AI is a fascinating field within deep learning. It goes beyond traditional AI, which typically focuses on analyzing data and making predictions. Instead, generative AI models have the ability to create new content, offering a glimpse into a future where machines can be creative partners. These AI models don't just analyze data, they create new things. They can generate art, music, and even entire stories from scratch, mimicking human creativity in ways that were once thought impossible. Imagine a computer writing a poem or composing a piece of music. That's generative AI in action. These models can take inspiration from vast datasets and produce original works that can surprise and delight us. One example is image generation. By training a generative model on a dataset of paintings, the AI learns the intricate patterns, brush strokes, and styles used by various artists. We can train a generative model on a dataset of paintings. The model learns the patterns and styles, understanding the nuances that make each piece unique. The model learns the patterns and styles. Then it can generate entirely new paintings that are not mere copies but original creations, blending elements from different styles to produce something novel. Then it can generate entirely new paintings. These new artworks can be displayed alongside human-created pieces, challenging our perceptions of creativity and authorship. Another example is language models. These models are trained on massive amounts of text, learning the intricacies of language, grammar, and context. These models are trained on massive amounts of text. They can then generate human-like text, translate languages, and even write different kinds of creative content, from poetry to technical articles. They can then generate human-like text, translate languages, and even write different kinds of creative content. The potential applications of generative AI are vast, and as the technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more groundbreaking innovations in the future. Section 5. The Future of Generative AI, Endless Possibilities with Cloudmaster Live. Welcome to a world where imagination meets innovation. and the boundaries of what's possible are constantly being redefined. Generative AI is still a young field. It's a burgeoning area of technology that is just beginning to show its true potential. Imagine a world where machines can create art, compose music, and even assist in scientific discoveries. But it has the potential to revolutionize many industries. From construction to healthcare, the applications are vast and varied. Engineers can design more efficient structures, while medical researchers can develop new treatments faster than ever before. From art and music to medicine and engineering, the possibilities are endless. Artists can explore new creative horizons and musicians can experiment with novel sounds and compositions. At Cloudmaster Live, we're excited to explore the future of AI with you. Our platform is dedicated to pushing the boundaries of what AI can achieve, and we invite you to be a part of this exciting journey. We believe that AI has the power to make our world a better place. By harnessing the capabilities of generative AI, we can address some of the most pressing challenges facing our society today, from environmental sustainability to social equity. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of thinking machines. Together, we can unlock the full potential of AI and create a brighter future for all. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Cloudmaster Live for more explorations into the future of technology. Stay tuned for more exciting updates and breakthroughs in the world of AI.